Welcome back, my slot car racing friends from around the world. Today I am going to open this box. Now, you might say, well, it looks like it's already been opened. And it hasn't. Basically, it did have a bunch of stuff on it that I had to get off because, well, let's just say they bulletproofed this box. And I didn't want to take 20 minutes of your time just trying to get the tape off it. So I did take the tape off, but I have not opened the box yet. So we're about to do that right now that I've taken 5 minutes of your time explaining it. All right, so I think I know what this is. I mean, I did not open it, so even though it looks like I have, but I have not. All I did was take the tape off. All right, let's see what we got here. Today's mail. All right. Oh. I know what this is, and it's in a case. It's in a case. Okay, see, it's a little bit more of a surprise yet still. Okay. So, it is not a Capri. I can tell you that. I can tell you that. And I'll tell you what else is nice. The case is not broken. Case is in nice condition. That's part of the reason I bought it. I also bought it because of this. See how nice this is? It's, you know, a lot of times you'll get these and they'll be like this and they'll have a top, but they don't have the insert. So that was really nice. All right, let's see what we got for a car. We got a nice box. Let's see what we got for a car. All right. Well, it's not bad. Not bad. It is missing a mirror. This one's bent forward a little bit. I can heat it up and bend it back. And a couple of the decals are not perfect, like that Texaco one right there on the front. It's a little bit loose. Let's see what's underneath. Let's see what we got. Trying to get it off here without breaking it. They're pretty fragile. Come on. There we go. So, it's old school. The brush holders are the older style, earlier style. The later ones were shiny. And the tires are very, very dry rotted, which, you know, sometimes if it's just going to be a shelf queen, I will just leave them on there as original. If I plan on racing it, I would change those. It's very, very dirty, but you know what? It comes off. It's, you know, as smooth as I would expect it to be, especially with all that dirt on it. It doesn't look bad, you know. Obviously, the pickup shoes, you know, if I was going to race it, well, even if I was going to display it, I'd probably change those out. So we'll probably end up changing those, and what we'll do is we'll clean it up and we'll give it a run and see what we think. But I have to say that, you know, I think I got a pretty good deal. I honestly, I can't even remember what I paid, but I know I didn't pay that much for it. I think I actually asked them for a better price and they gave it to me. So there we go. Let's do it this way. Okay. Nice, huh? What do you think? I like it. All right, I'll talk to you later. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Bye-bye.